Riding an electric bike is comfortable and enjoyable. Alongside making you look cool and stylish, electric bikes enhance the fun of riding. And so, these bikes start to get worldwide popularity, and the number of electric bike riders increasing day by day. Considering that, we've decided to introduce you to some of the best innovative e-bikes of present times. And today's video covers everything about the top 7 innovative electric bikes. So let's dive into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Conquer all roads and experience a remarkable ride with the Bultaco Brinco electric dirt bike, which is specifically engineered to take your riding to a whole new level. This innovative electric bike comes with an industry-leading motor, which generates a whopping torque and allows your bike to top at an impressive speed of 37 miles per hour. Furthermore, it's got carefully engineered front and rear suspension that absorbs shocks and let you experience a smoother ride even while riding on rugged trails. And to keep you comfortable, this bike features a sports seat. Finally, this 85.98-pound electric bike contains 24-inch wheels, which offer excellent traction and help your bike remain stable while propelling at such high speed. Versatile, stable, customizable, convertible, and affordable. This is the HASE Tandem PINO, which doubles as a cargo bike or family taxi and adds more fun to your riding. Breaking the industry norms, this semi-recumbent tandem bike has an impressive 2-part frame and telescoping mechanism, allowing you to shorten your bike's size to meet your preference. Like the frame, its handlebars are also adjustable, making this tandem appropriate for riders of all heights and levels. Now let's talk about another significant feature of this foldable and compact tandem. Besides accommodating 2 riders, it also enables you to store a couple of essential items. As such, you can carry groceries and other items in its separate storage sections. Overall, the HASE Tandem PINO won't disappoint you with its ergonomic design and exceptional functionalities. Featuring a classic straightforward design and offering a smooth riding experience on almost all trails, the VanMoof is the ultimate e-bike that will help you look stylish alongside allowing you to ride with utmost comfort. With an updated motor, this electric bike can produce 59 Newton-meters of torque, enabling you to move forward at 20 miles per hour speed. Besides, it's got the industry's first automatic electronic gear shifting system, which helps you experience the smoothest ride ever. Another significant feature is that it's got a theft defense system, so you can stay relaxed and tension-free after parking it anywhere. Finally, equipped with a 504 watt-hour battery, this e-bike will help you reach up to 93 miles on a single charge. And the battery will require about 4 hours to get entirely charged for your next ride. Meet the Kelly's Theos F-Series electric bike, which offers an incredible robust frame, smooth and better handling, and of course, decent speed to elevate your riding experience on various routes. Crafted from thermoplastic hybrid steel-carbon composite, its frame is exceptionally rigid, durable, and can endure a massive load besides tolerating impacts and shocks during your ride. This innovative e-bike features a Shimano EP8 motor that can yield 85 Nm of torque and help you ride at the high speed you want from a high-quality electric bike. Finally, like other standard e-bikes, this one also comes with a lithium-ion 720 watt-hour battery to keep your bike functional at an extended duration. Introducing the Trefecta RDR, which boasts advanced engineering and futuristic design, gives you the unparalleled mobility and comfort you need for everyday interurban commutes. Unlike most other e-bikes on the market, it has an ergonomically designed frame made from high-grade aluminum. As a result, it can withstand impacts from harsh riding and will last for countless years. This electric bike is equipped with a 4-kilowatt engine, 6-volt intelligent battery pack, and 14-speed electronic shift gearbox. All these work together to give the perfect speed at the right moment. Finally, the innovative e-bike contains throttle sensitivity and GPS navigation to make rides more accessible, comfortable, and enjoyable. At number 2, we've listed the Delfast Top 3.0, which holds the Guinness World Record for its incredible speed and performance that very few electric bikes can provide to help you experience an extreme ride. Made out of high-strength tubular steel, this rugged frame is going to endure heavy loads of up to 298 pounds and will accompany you for years to come. The electric bike features a powerful motor, which can accelerate a peak load of 6,000 watts and generate excellent torque of 182 Nm. As a result, you can ride this bike at a blistering speed of 50 miles per hour. Lastly, this electric bike features a 72-volt battery, which provides the required juice to let you cover up to 200 miles on a single charge. Level up your riding game with the Mate X electric bike, which poses an amplified attitude, offers extreme power and performance, but is available at an affordable price. And that is the beauty of this electric bike. This electric bike comes with a mighty motor, generating a whopping torque, allowing you to achieve a top speed of around 15 miles per hour. Equipped with a high-end battery, this innovative e-bike lets you cover up to 75 miles on a single charge. That means you don't need to recharge your bike again and again for daily commutes. Last but not least, this bike features an LCD screen to provide you with riding data and is foldable, which makes it amazingly portable. So that was our list of the top 7 innovative electric bikes just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.